my name is Amethyst with WTI, and I have a product that has changed the game for me. If you're a small business owner or you're using a scale quite frequently, then I really recommend this MUNBYN scale. I love it for a bunch of different reasons. I will say the main reason why I love this is the flap feature right here. So this might seem a little bit strange at first, but then you have to consider whenever you're trying to weigh out envelopes or bigger items, sometimes it's really hard to read the scale, read the number that you get, or something might be a little too awkward shaped to actually weigh it on a flat surface. So I love having this little flap right here to get an accurate measurement of my product. I actually end up using this probably 90% of the time. So I didn't know I needed it until I had it, and it has completely changed the game for me. No more messing with the product so that I can actually read how much it weighs. And then of course you have your modes. There are 5 different modes here. I like that I can switch the mode up after I've weighed out the item because sometimes I forget to do it beforehand. And I like that I can weigh different things out just for different uses. So I really love this scale. If you're looking to get one, I really recommend that you try out this MUNBYN scale. I highly, highly recommend it for people of small businesses, or if you're trying to weigh out stuff in your kitchen, this is the way to go. And that is my point of view.